Good morning, everyone. Hi, my name is Mayur Sampath, and I welcome you to this 6 o'clock morning chit chat. Good to see you here, everyone. Since the 1st of April, we have started this wonderful journey, and I thank you all for joining once again. Today's topic, which I would love to take, is gratitude. While we get up early morning, what one thing I would add to whatever we are doing is gratitude. That means we need to thank whoever you would love to, the Almighty, the universe, that we are alive, that we have got this wonderful life. And this is very, very important. We have forgotten to say thank you very much. We have forgotten to say this is a beautiful life what we are living. Now, whatever, if there is a lockdown or whatever it is perfectly all right, right? Now, if it is in a lockdown condition, okay, are you not along with your family members? So you should be even thankful that you are along with family members. Now, whatever life you have lived till now, whatever life, okay, with all the ups and downs, everything, whatever life you have lived till now, okay, that has been the best, right? Because you have grown yourself to a wonderful human being. Now, if you keep on crying, I have not got this, I have not got this, then think about it. Everybody has a wonderful body. Now, there are people who are unfortunate of not having their particular limb. That doesn't mean that they are continuously crying. They too are living. So, first thing is, are you not having this wonderful body with all the spare part? So, have you ever thought about it that I should at least thank for this wonderful body, for this wonderful mind? But we keep on crying again and again and again. For what? Now, if you don't even say thank you for this wonderful body, okay, are you setting something not right? Now you have a job, good enough. Suppose you do not have a job and you are doing something on your own. Well, more the better. So are we not saying thank you enough times? So the first thing I would love you, when you see, since the last few days, we are trying to set up our morning routines, right? And in the routine, the first thing I said was not to touch this instrument for the first 1 hour. So when we do not touch this instrument for the first 1 hour, what we are doing is we are getting that 1 hour free for ourselves. The second thing what you need to do is when you are getting up early morning, that means you are stopping that snooze. You are telling your mind, just get up. I am in control. And that is most important. The third thing we specifically put across the point was that you need to just meditate. That means you need to focus on what you want. You need to listen to a wonderful song. You need to listen to anything which you would get motivated. But the important point of that focus was just to bring that mind which is running around here and there like a monkey to calm down, right? One more point we had again put in was just do physical exercise first thing in the morning. Even if you do skipping, jumping around, that will bring blood circulation to your mind, which will wake you up. The other part was reading for nothing less than 15 minutes. Anything, a good book, read for 15 minutes. So you will learn a lot from that 15 minutes of time. So while you are getting up early morning, okay, on the bed itself, if you can have a word of gratification, thank you for this wonderful body. Thank you for the food I eat. Thank you for such a wonderful house. Thank you for such a wonderful family. Thank you for such a wonderful friends. Thank you for giving me this market where I can, take out a lot of money. Thank you for whatever you have given me till now. And that will start a wonderful day. Just think about it. आपके घर पे जो भी बंदा काम करने के लिए आता है, okay, if you can tell thank you to that particular person, how wonderful that person will feel. Every day when the person is leaving, he'll say, okay sir, I'm leaving, and I tell him thank you very much for coming in. He feels so good about it. Why? Because no one is telling him thank you for such the work which he's doing. Even during the corona time, he's actually coming in, helping us. So if we can say thank you to him, he feels good about it. Now, if you do something good, and if someone tells you thank you, is it not helping you? Is it not, that feeling comes in, अरे मजा आ गया यार, किसी ने मेरे को thank you बोला. Right? Now, my wife is making a wonderful food to eat. And every day, if I'm telling her, thank you, yaar, kya mast banaya, super. Appreciate. Okay, thank you very much for this wonderful food you have given. Just one simple word, thank you. It will change the way you are looking at things. You will feel good about it by telling anyone thank you for whatever they have doing for you. So this thank you are two words, but it gives immense pleasure to yourself also and to the others also. So this gratification has to be there. It helps you because it opens the door for the universe to give you something more. And what we keep on doing is we keep on crying for every small things which we have not been able to achieve, or we are in the process of achieving. Now, when you keep on creeping about these small things, universe will say, boss, isko to kuch dene ka matlab nahi hai. He just keeps on crying. So that is not going to function. ये नहीं चलने वाला है. लेकिन अगर आप यूनिवर्स को भी थैंक यू बोल सकते हो, because the sun is going to come out. Believe me, whether you are awake or not awake, the sun is going to come out every day, irrespective of your waking up early. Okay, and that is going to matter. So if the sun is out, thank you for giving us the light. That is what matters. So when you are awake and when you are going to sleep at night, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Bhagwan. Thank you, Allah. Okay. Thank you, Vaheguru. Whatever you want to say, thank you, universe. Thank you, parents, for this wonderful life you have given us. So if you can just thank, this is going to change our behavior, our lifestyle, our way of looking at others who are serving us or who have given us something. Okay. And for yourself and for others, it will make one moment precious. And that is what life is all about. Let's make someone's day better today by just saying thank you. Whether it is the person who is coming to clean your house, whether it is person who is cleaning your car, or someone who has just helped you get the things right. Okay, and this is the most important point which I would love you to start doing from this moment onwards, right? So the morning routine will continue, and tomorrow morning I am going to come out with one more wonderful topic. So let me once again repeat that morning first 1 hour is yours. This is to be avoided. Secondly, every day morning, say thank you to the universe, to yourself. Whatever wonderful work you have done. See, don't creep. Now, there are times when you are unable to do some particular function or some particular part of a job which you wanted to complete, but you are unable to complete. But you have at least gone ahead. So say thank you to yourself also. Yes, thank you very much. You have done a good job. You could do better. So say thank you to yourself. And like I say to every one of you, just raise your arms. Just raise your arms. Every one of you. Yeah. Have you raised your arms? Okay. And do this. Thank you, Mayur. You have done a good job. Good, good, good. Pat yourself. Pat yourself. Please raise your arms and pat yourself. Okay. Pat yourself. Tell yourself, boss, you have done a wonderful job. And you are doing a wonderful job. And this is going to help you. Believe me, it is going to help you. So while you will thank yourself, you will thank the universe, you will thank all the people around you who are helping you to go to the next level. Okay, this is fantastic. Believe me, it is fantastic because it is going to work on. So I would love to thank Dr. Vardhan, Angelo,
Yes,
Binduji, Kunal, Sunil, Nitin, Tarun ji, all who have come to this wonderful morning chit chat, because this is going to be really wonderful. This is going to be wonderful. Why it is going to be wonderful? Because once you are into this particular game of getting up early morning, okay, getting up early morning and starting the day with a bang, how good you feel about it. So once again, I thank you all for joining me on this chit chat. Every day morning, we are going to come out. We are going to tell our mind, boss, I am the boss. You are not in. I am going to do what is in my control. Okay. And I am going to the next level. Whatever happens, I am going to go to the next level. This is one routine I will continue for the next 365 days. So to be a better trader, to be a better person, okay, and to go to the next level, what you need is a morning routine which is really, really very strong. Okay, so I will be here tomorrow at 6 o'clock once again. Okay. Yeah, somebody wanted to.
I want to say two things, sir, with your
Yeah,
permission.
please go ahead.
One is that you are doing a wonderful job, and the people who are attending, they are also wonderful people.
Thank you, Dr. Vardhan, for this
And
wonderful
one more thing,
words.
I want to share some quote with the all participants.
Yeah, please go ahead. लेकिन थोड़ा नजदीक से बोलना. Voice is too weak.
Okay. It is the gratitude that decides altitude in the life. I repeat, it is the gratitude that decides your altitude in the life. You may be working somewhere, you may be in business, you may be in share market. The more you feel the gratitude towards the people and convey the people, will take you to the next level in your profession. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. See, wonderful quote.
And thank the participants.
Yes, wonderful quote.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Once again.
Sir,
I would please, like Binduji, you would love to say something? Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah. Yes, sir. So thank you so much for this lovely morning. I being of joining, but I have yoga at 6 o'clock. But today it was cancelled, so I hopped in immediately, and I'm so happy I hopped in, and I loved it. And thank you so much. And sir, I want to request you that I really want to enter share market and need your guidance. So when can I connect to you? Because you are the master in it. So I really need your guidance. I'm really looking forward to. So please guide me when we can connect and how we can go about it.
You can get in touch with me anytime after 10:30. I'll be there, and sure. Then we can. We have a teachable platform where the courses are there. I'll give you a free access to one of the basic course. You can please go through that also. Not a problem. In fact, a few of the learning videos are already there on the YouTube channel also. You can even visit that.
Thank you so much. That will be awesome. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, thank you, Binduji. Yeah. Anyone else? Okay. Love you all. Take care. Corona के साथ में मारामारी करते रहना. Okay, fight because this is going to continue for a few months. Okay. Yesterday I had gone and taken my vaccine also, and I'm feeling energetic. We will be there. Okay, for each other. We will definitely go to the next level. So don't worry. If you are struggling also, you need to come out of that struggle. Okay. And morning routines are going to help you to achieve more. Rest assured. Love you. Take care and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Remember, the routine should not change. Okay. And it should continue almost on time slot basis. Okay. And you will 101% go to the next level. Love you all. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you all.